Uniswap would one say one is of the greatest players in its specific area of the crypto circle, yet what is Uniswap? We should check whether we can make sense of it for you, and furthermore investigate a portion of the Uniswap cost expectations that were being made starting around the 27th of September 2022. Uniswap made sense of. Uniswap is a decentralized trade based on the Ethereum blockchain that works on a shared exchanging framework characterized by Ethereum-based irreversible, long-lasting, and non-upgradable Shroud agreements. The Uniswap convention permits exchanges to occur without the requirement for any confided-in mediators. Furthermore, it is independent, encoded and independent. On a customary trade, purchasers and vendors propose different costs for a resource. At the point when different clients consider an express cost satisfactory, they execute an arrangement, switching the recorded cost over completely to the resource's market cost. Uniswap utilizes an alternate methodology, going about as a robotized market creator to empower the exchanging of crypto resources without the requirement for authorization. As indicated by the organization's site FAQs, Uniswap is a computerized market producer. In pragmatic terms, an assortment of Shroud agreements characterize a standard method for making liquidity pools, give liquidity, and trade resources. Saves and costs are refreshed consequently every time somebody exchanges. There is no focal request book, no outsider guardianship, and no confidential request matching motor. Since saves are naturally rebalanced after each exchange, a Uniswap pool can continuously be utilized to trade a token, not at all like customary trades. Merchants don't have to coordinate with individual counterparties to finish an exchange. AMMs address the issue of low liquidity by laying out liquidity pools and boosting liquidity suppliers to fill these pools with resources. The more resources and liquidity in a pool, the less complex it is to exchange on decentralized trades. Furthermore, Uniswap follows a permissionless plan structure, which suggests that the convention's administrations are accessible to the general population, with no component to restrict who could possibly utilize them. Uni fills in as the Uniswap organization's utility and administration token, guaranteeing the undertaking's future turn of events. Uni token holders can decide on different proposition or representative their votes to an outsider and get marking rewards. Something vital to note is that, in light of the fact that Uni depends on the Ethereum blockchain, it is a token as opposed to a coin. You will see references to such things as a Unicoin cost expectation or a Unicoin. However, such references are, in fact, wrong. Uniswap cost history. We should now investigate the Uni cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can assist with giving us some genuinely necessary setting with regards to either deciphering a Uniswap value forecast or making one of our own. At the point when Uni previously went onto the open market in September 2020, it was exchanging around $6.50, yet it tumbled to an end cost of $2.80 on the 7th of October in line to a day-to-day low of $1.89 on the 4th of November, addressing a 70% tumble from September costs. It shut the year at $5.17. Last year, 2021, ended up being a noteworthy one for the Uni token cost as it developed complex, expanding from an end cost of $5.25 on the 11th of January to an end worth of $29.14 on the 20th of February, an increment of 455% in somewhat more than a month. The Uniswap token cost fell and shut at $22.19 on the 28th of February prior to rising again to $34.28 on 7WALK. The cost activity stayed bullish, and the Uni token cost arrived at its unequaled high of $44.97 on the 3rd of May 2021. Bears at last acquired control. The Unicoin esteem tumbled to close at $16.84 on the 23rd of May, going further to $14.60 on the 20th of July, addressing a fall of 67% from the pinnacle. After this, the cost activity turned marginally bullish once more, pushing the cost to $31.30 on the 1st of September. The USD cost fell again to $14.15 on the 13th of December and shut the year at $17.07, addressing a yearly ascent of somewhat more than 230%. This year, 2022, has been intense for most of digital currencies in the midst of fears of one more crypto winter brought about by the most recent market decline. And the Uni token was no special case, as the Uniswap graph shows. The symbolic tumbled from $17.81 on the 16th of January to its 52-week low of $3.37 on the 18th of June, a decay of 81%. From that point onward, however, there was some vertical development, set off to a limited extent by the obtaining of Genie, one self-declared first non-fungible token commercial center aggregator. The news assisted Uni with arriving at a high of $6 on the 26th of June, while the next month's Uniswap news that the token was to be recorded on the Robinhood stage saw a rush to $9.74 on the 28th of July. From that point forward, however, the cost has slipped, and to know why Uniswap is dropping, showcasing forces is essentially down. Notwithstanding the news that the Uniswap establishment was to issue $1.80 in awards, the Uni cost remained at around $6.55 on the 27th of September 2022. Around then, there were 762,209,326.54 Uni available for use out of a complete stock of 1 billion. This gave the token a market cap of around $5 billion, making it the 17th biggest crypto by that measurement. Uniswap cost expectation gathered together. It's currently time to investigate a portion of the Uniswap cost forecasts that were being made at the hour of composing on the 27th of September 2022. It is vital to take note of that cost estimates, particularly for something as possibly unstable as possible digital currency can frequently be off base. Likewise, you should recollect that long-haul crypto value forecasts are in many cases made utilizing a calculation which can change whenever. To start with, made a Uni crypto cost forecast that the token could reach $6.45 in 2022, $15 1 year from now, and $20.21 the year after that. In 2025, the site said Uni could happen to $26.19 before it could slip to $23.13 in 2026, proceeding possibly recuperating to $32.46 in 2027. By 2028, the figure contended that the token could be esteemed at $45.47 before conceivably shutting the 10 years at $64.86. The site then proceeded to make a Uniswap cost expectation for 2030, said it could ascend to $90.86, before it proposed Uni could get to $123.85 in 2031. And had a Uniswap cost expectation for 2022 that the token could end up in a touch of transient trouble, possibly dropping to $4.20 in November prior to shutting the year at $4.22. By September 2023, the token could be worth at $8.62, while it could reach $13.95 in 2025, preceding it could drop to $13.20 toward the beginning of September 2027. By 2030, the idea was that Uni might actually have developed to $34.88 before it proceeded to make a Uniswap cost expectation for 2040 that said it could hit $69.76. In the meantime, had a Uni cost expectation which contended that it could close 2022 at $7.73 prior to coming to $8.74 in September 2023. A year from that point, the site felt that the token could be worth about $16.41. It made a Uniswap cost expectation for 2025 that recommended Uni could begin the year down to $14.10, dropping further to a potential $12.77 in September and shutting the year back down to $16.92. In September 2026, the site said Uniswap could be evaluated at $28.61